Yeah, what's good, gang? Welcome back to another video from your boy Sachem, man. Let's get it. Hey man, as you can see, your boy back in business with the cut, so fresh and so clean. We're gonna do something nice and simple, nice and slight today. I'm gonna just show y'all like 3 pieces. It's always 3 pieces. I'm gonna do like 2.5 one time and throw y'all off guard. But like I said in the last video, if you haven't seen it, why you watching this one? Why you watching this one if you ain't seen the last video yet? Anyways, we're gonna do 3 pieces. Like I said, I'm gonna do the long sleeves. I think that's some of my favorite patterns or whatever. But I'm gonna just do like 3 long sleeves, some vintage long sleeves. I'm gonna talk about them first, or I'm gonna show y'all first, talk about them, and then just let y'all know how they're vintage, or like how to tell, or like which tags to pick out. Cause I know people like to resell some vintage pieces, obviously make some profit, and they tend to sell from like $40, $45 up. So just knowing the tags, like which ones to pick up, which ones are rare, which ones are just common. I'm gonna just let y'all know a little bit of what I know, and y'all can go ahead and do your own research off of that. So let's get straight. Let's get straight to it, man. Hey, my bad. I forgot to ask y'all how y'all doing. How's everybody's mental, physical? Hope y'all feeling good. Hope y'all feeling great. Cause you know I am, and I just had to ask that. Usually I do ask how y'all doing. So how y'all doing? Y'all let me know. All right. To kick it off, 3 long sleeve button ups, whatever. Boom, boom, ba ba, ba ba, boom, pow. I got a polo, Tommy, and a Nautica. So we're gonna start off with the. I'm not gonna put them on unless y'all want me to. I know y'all want me to. But we're gonna start off with the polo, right? We got the vintage polo. We're gonna start off with the colors. And you know it's vintage if you don't know anything about clothes or trends. If you can just see the colors, red, green, yellow, blue, primary colors. Besides green, well, green is sometimes a primary color, but it gets weird. It depends on like the color space and blah 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 blah, but we're not gonna get into that. So here we got the green, yellow, red with the plaid or flannel, whatever you want to call it. I'm gonna put it on for y'all. Flannel pattern, nice little vintage polo. Got the green. You won't be able to see, but got the green horse, got the green pony right there. So yeah, man, just a light plaid. 80s, 90s. That's kind of when these colors were like popping the most. Hip hop started incorporating most of like what was considered high fashion into their looks and into their styles and in their music videos. And obviously through those music videos, that's how people started to catch on to the wave. So people like Ralph, Tommy, they caught on to that. They noticed that right away, and they had a better market in with like their urban community as well. So they started making clothes that would cater to those demographics as well. Next, whoo. Oh, I forgot. Hold on. I forgot to show y'all. But usually with the vintage, with the 80s, 90s, I think I could be wrong, but this is the tag that they used during that time. Ralph Lauren with his horse in the back. Yeah. In between the 2 logos, that's like the common vintage logo. But the newer ones, let me show y'all. From the jacket from the last video, the newer ones are like just like the blue regular polo Ralph Lauren. So if you see like the blue, those are like the newer tags. But some of the rare tags are like there's like the green tag. I got a couple of those, like green polo Ralph Lauren tag. Those are usually worth some money. Chaps Ralph Lauren, definitely worth some money, because you don't see that often. Like these brands, or like these brands don't make the clothing, like the black clothing that much anymore. So that's how come they're worth money. So if you see those tags, chaps especially, you can definitely make some bands off of those. Next, or maybe I'll make a separate video on like all the different tags and all the different. See how I gotta keep moving up and down? I need like a desk or something But I'm gonna probably make another video on like tags and blah 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 blah. But next, Tommy Rugrats. This piece goes so crazy. Multiple patches. Once again, some primary colors: red, green, hint of yellow in there, blues. But multiple patchwork. And I almost passed this up. Even got the embroidery logo on the bottom pocket. I almost passed this up because it was baggy, but usually the bigger sizes could sell for more because they're so rare as the vintage already, but then the size is more rare because they don't make a lot of it and they don't make it anymore. So if you see like a 5XL or like a 100XL or like a chameleon XL, grab it, throw it on eBay, you can probably make some money. But, and then the tag, usually vintage Tommy has like the box, they call it the box logo tags. Also seen on this one as well. But, yeah, so look for these tags if you out thrifting. You know, sometimes they may look ugly. You gotta look for like the bomb designs though, or else people don't want like basic stuff. But the newer Tommy tags, you know, just Tommy Hilfiger strip of cloth, Tommy Hilfiger strip of cloth, yada yada yada. And what I forgot to say about polo tags, there's also another tag that's like super vintage. This shirt's from the first video, how to style your cargos. When you see polo boxed out like that, buy it. Just a couple tips here and there, trying to give y'all some stuff that I've learned. Obviously, I didn't just get up and know these things. We're gonna end it off with the Nautica Sailing Team Blue Water Collection. Got the coordinates in the back, got flags in the back, got stripes, got blocks, got color, got everything, man. This piece, I've only worn this once, and I didn't even wear it out. I just wore it for pictures. But as you can see, they all, like I said, keep saying over and over, all got the same color coordination. When hip hop started influencing fashion, this one's actually super big, but I don't know what you heard about me, but you can't get $1 out of me. Come on now, don't make me fly away on y'all. Don't make me fly away on y'all, man. Let's get it on. But yeah, Nautica. I don't know too much about like vintage Nautica because I don't have that many pieces by them. But I know for one thing, colors, crazy designs, that's a sign that is vintage, of course. If you want to look it up, you can look up more details on it. But this also gives me kind of a signifier that it's vintage. Look at the tag, like I don't think that's the normal tag anymore. Actually, I know I do have a Nautica somewhere. Got him. Here we go. I'm pretty sure this might be their new whatever. That might be their new tag. Yeah, I don't know much about Nautica besides they always got cool colors, or like the block primary colors, crazy designs, boom boom bow bada ba boom. But yeah, they say like color block clothing started in the 40s, 60s, whatever, but it was most prominent in like the 80s. Like I said, with all three of these pieces, even though they're different brands, in some way, some form, they're all quite similar. I wonder why. All same colors, just different styles, different brand names, different tags. But yeah, man, if you don't thrift, I feel bad for you, because you're wasting money, alright? If you thrift, after watching this video and you do go thrift, make sure you look for these brands, look for these tags that I have shown you, spot them out because they're in there somewhere hiding. You just gotta look deep, and you'll find them, man. But that's just a quick little boom video I try to put together for y'all. Like I said, I'm trying to work on my consistency with these videos. So I'm gonna try to get them to y'all. I'm not gonna put oh, I'm gonna drop a video every week. Nah, because I don't wanna try to do too much. But, of course, I'm gonna try my best. So, if y'all enjoyed this video, go ahead, hit the thumbs up, like this video, subscribe. We're almost at 200, like 3 more people, I think. Come on, I know y'all watching this. I know y'all hear me saying go subscribe, so go subscribe, man. Get your boy to 200. Let's get it. Y'all know Sachi got the sauce, man. I just been hiding in this little vault behind me here, but it's time to bring them out, share them with the world, share them with y'all. Y'all keep showing love. I'm gonna keep sharing and sharing and sharing. So y'all stay smooth, y'all stay positive, y'all keep your horses in the back. Yeah. When you know you might bladder, cheated on my baby, you can go ask her. Hey man, y'all stay smooth, y'all stay positive, y'all stay tuned for the next video, and Sachi gon' catch y'all later.
Listen, young man, don't be stressing. Bullshit's part of life, it's a life lesson.